GameFi is dying slowly. Brutal UX friction, seed phrases, token purchases complicated. Death spiral, inflationary tokens, farm and dump. UA insane, PC heavy Avalanche games, mini apps, Telegram/Line/WeChat underutilized. Story afterthought, skip lore, no connection, mismerch billions like Genshin. Mass adoption needs deep emotional engagement. Engagement needs real ownership, not P2E promises. Ownership needs Web 2 seamless, Web 3 power. Avalanche, sub-second, real yield. This is MSCI. MSCI, Invisible Web 3, play game, read interactive novel, own digital assets. Telegram mini app funnel to Google login to auto wallet, no seed phrase. Daily quiz on story, proof of knowledge, earn gotcha tickets, no bots. Cross progression, read chapter to unlock weapons, defeat boss to read next. On-chain gotcha fair, 100% AVAX economy, real yield. RWA Digital, signed books, merch shipped home, verified on Avalanche. Hybrid architecture, off-chain smooth play, on-chain value via Hyper SDK and Teleporter. We are Vietnamese builders, operating at the intersection of crypto, GameFi, and IP-driven world building. We build long-term mass consumer app on Avalanche.